Good morning, students. Welcome to SRBPS Virtual Classrooms. Students, if you have a desire and determination to study, then destiny and distance can never stop you from learning. Yes, we do believe in that. So here we are before you with virtual classroom so that we can keep you in connected with your studies. I'm Archana Jha from Sri Rama Bharati Public School to teach you English. Today, I'll teach you poster making. In CBSE, we have this poster making in our writing section as a short composition. This short composition we write within the limit of 50 words and we are assigned 4 marks for that. So let's talk about poster making. You must have heard this word earlier too. So don't get confused with the poster making in art and craft. Though poster making is same, but we do keep something different. Here we more stress on content part more than color combination as it is done in the case of art and craft work. So, poster making is a play card displayed in a public place announcing or advertising something. So, it has a work of announcement and advertising something there. It can be any institution, anything, or any kind of event. So, that we do with the help of poster making. So, you can understand how much it is important in our day to day life too. Today is the era of advertisement. Today is the era to convey the things, to find out new way to convey our thought to others, and poster making is one of the way to do that. Now, the purpose of making poster we'll talk about. The purpose of designing a poster is either to create social awareness about issue related to current problems, needs, or to advertise or even to extend public invitation and display notices. So here you can see that we have different purpose here. So first purpose of doing it is to create social awareness, right? Then it can be for related with any issue or any current problem too, right? It can be any kind of need which we want to talk about and we want to give convey that message to the common people. So it has another purpose to advertise. Yes, it's a easy way to approach the mass. So whenever you want to spread it in a beautiful way, in a convincing way, posters are the right way to do that. Now here, even sometimes, suppose somewhere some event is organized, there is, and then you want that common people, means public can also come there. So it's not easy to go each and every person to invite. So we make poster and we display it at the different corner of the city or that society wherever you want to do that thing. So it serves that purpose too. Along with advertisement, it is a kind of invitation also. It serves that purpose too. And sometime if any public notice is to be raised, suppose you want to have some instructions, you want that everyone should read that, and if you want, and that is for mass again. So posters again play a great role in that. So I hope you have understood this. Now this was the purpose. Let's talk about what are the features. How can we make posters? So posters have major features. One of them is layout. Though it is being normally told that there is no fixed layout for the poster, and it's true. Actually, it demands your creativity. It depends on your imagination. So that creativity and imagination allows you to have your own way of displaying or expressing your thing. So there is no fixed layout, but certain guidelines are there to make best posters. So what is the first thing that we are talking about here? And it can be, just see that you are to have eye catchy title. Of course there should be a heading. What is this poster about? And that hiding a heading should convey your message whatsoever you want. What is that poster about? You can just support it to make it more interesting, appealing. We all know that always rhythm plays a role. So you can have any slogan, you can have any jingle, you can have any quotation to guide them. So that can be highlighted there to add to that poster. Yes, and there is a proportionate spacing is also required, because lots of content comes to our mind. We can say in many things about the same issue there, but we are to be very limited. We are to stick to our word limit. We have limitations of words, so we are to use it very judiciously. And then again, the placing should be in such a way that everything is clear to everyone. Now let's go for in detail about the same. We can see it. Here are certain examples which I have given here for you. So it can be taken as a title to see that as it is written here. The reader today, today's reader, tomorrow a leader. So that can be a kind of a quotation that you can make here. Don't shed a blood, donate blood. So this is again another way to guide people that they can save life by donating blood. So they are to combat. Again, I'm just giving you some hints. This is the way you can make heading. You can have the jingles too. You can have this kind of quotation kind of thing there, highlighting the purpose of your poster. So the oldest way of fitness, say yes to yoga, long life, this kind of thing helps you. This kind of quotation catches the attention of the reader, and he is ready to read the rest of the content, and rest of the information is conveyed to him. Okay, so this is how you can have certain points related with the title that I told you. Then I talked about spacing. I would like to pay attention here. What happens when we are trying to fill our poster with lots of content and lots of information? We often mess with the presentation there. We create a clumsy look, right? So suggestion is you can have different, you can have this kind of different fonts. You can see here that we are having here that you can stay safe, and that can be done there. And these fonts are different. You can see that easily. Here its font is different. The next line the font is different, and again different way of writing it is there. One example I found, and I just want to note it there. Lots of content is written here, but within this circle you can find that different fonts are used. So your eye catches the most important one first. So simple thing, if you have very important thing, go for the bigger font. You can take the different style. That actually gives a variety to your poster, attraction to your poster. At the same time, spacing problem also gets solved. Spacing problem, I just say that you are to give proper placement as per your priority. Now the second feature of your poster is contents. Now content means the theme part, right? Theme part and the subject of the poster. It is revealed through the heading, no doubt, but we are to go in detail. Now content refers to detail related to that title. And one example is being given here. If suppose it's related with certain event, then you need to give the description of time, date and venue. And yes, never forget, this is very very important, who is the issuing authority. It should be written at the last. That is the part of your content. Let's have some example. I can show you just to this is enough to explain. Suppose the event part is there, so date, venue and time must be written. Then here is one example where all the essential do's and don'ts which you want to highlight about the traffic. You see here I have a picture, but it's not necessarily to make a, if suppose somebody doesn't know how to make the face of a person and he's forced to do that, no, you can convey in your creative way. It's not necessary, it's not going to check your art. It is more going to check how you are able to reach to the mind of the mass. How can your message, how can it reach to the common people. So content should be very clear. You can have some graphics, you can have some designs. Those who are good in drawing, no doubt they will add, that will be cherry to the cake there, and that is going to add to the beauty of your expression. So yes, you can go for it, but it's not very necessary part. It can be beautiful in another way only. If you are writing the words in a different font, you are able to arrange them and proper placing is done, then also your poster can be attractive. Now expression comes, and of course expression counts for the language part also, it counts for the creative part also. So we have here, it should be persuasive, means you are able to convince that person, you can force that person to believe whatsoever you want him to believe in, or whatsoever message you are giving, he should feel attracted towards that. So that kind of language you are to, and that's why we go for jingles, we go for rhyming lines, we go for the quotations, we go for some other self-made slogans too, or very popular slogans. We take help of that also. But yes, never forget the word limitation, it's 50 words, and that would be, and that will be enough for you to express your things in short. So you have to sequence the matter. When I was talking about spacing, before going for the spacing, you will have to think about this part. Suppose your part, whatsoever you want to convey, is very important, so it should be given more space, so font will be bigger, that will be more attractive, and the other things can follow in the same manner. That will again solve your problem for spacing too. So overall organization, whatsoever, how you are organizing the things, that matters a lot in poster. And creativity in terms of content and design, of course it will add to your expression, and it will make your poster beautiful. So we have here different marking part also. We can divide it easily. One mark for the format, that is layout. You can take it as a layout, how you are presenting it. And then content part 2 marks, and expression 1 mark. So altogether it is 4 mark question, as I told you, as per the CBSE syllabus. Now this is one example by a student, and see how it is being placed. I felt that all the features are expressed here. The student has given enough content to support the idea. I like the way the simple drawings were used here, and again the heading part, sorry, heading part was also correct one. And issuing authority's name is also being mentioned there, and this way you can have the content all for in there, and that is balanced one, right? So let's have some more examples. So this is one of the board question only, so we can go for it. Yes, this is the question. I hope it is visible to you. I'll just try to zoom it. So you visited a school for blind, and were disturbed to see the miserable plight of blind people. You had an urge to campaign for eye donation. Prepare a poster highlighting the importance of donating eyes. So now here you got the example there. You can see this very clearly. It is mentioned. The first part which we talked about, heading is also given. Here the content is there, right? And you can see that whatsoever is being presented, the proper spacing is done there. It's not that all together it is being mixed. Different shapes and things are being used to separate the message, whatsoever content part is there, to segregate them. And here the issuing authority's name is also mentioned. So I hope you have understood how this what spacing I mean, to explain that time. Okay, the one more example let's take. It's an again invitation. That was a social issue that we were talking about, a kind of message. And here we have this invitation also. It's an advertisement of that particular event too. So that is being announced here. The authority's name is also written here. See, there was a confusion on that where to write the authority's name. If suppose that person is that particular institution is a host, and you can have this way also, but name of the issuing person must be mentioned there, who has issued. This is content part, and again see that separately informations are highlighted, so proper spacing and everything is being taken care of. So I hope all of you have learnt about it now. Practice more. Just check your folder for your homework and do practice for the poster making. I know you are going to enjoy that. Thank you and have a good day.